Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove followers on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. And then go to your Instagram profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. At the top of your profile, you will see three options: posts, followers, and following. All you need to do is simply tap on the followers. Here you will see a list of your followers. Find the follower you want to remove. Tap on three dots next to their username. From the options that appear, tap on Remove. That's it. The follower will be removed from your Instagram account. You can also do this by tapping on the profile of the follower you want to remove, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, simply tap on Remove Follower. Again, tap on Remove from here. And remember, Instagram won't be notified when you remove them as a follower. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.